again. So it's lucky. Previously, video is when they convert from here to it was closed my PPT, but I already have the page saved. So all the pages are still here. So this video we continue in the last part is PDF will convert to Office. We will use the one new library pdf2docx just to convert back to the Word documents. So first let's install this one. So but when we install this, it's also install some other the library. So the user used is Tuna, is the Tsinghua University's library. But let's just directly install this. Using this way is try to find this some quick this source. But for me, I think it's okay. So now it's install dependency and compile those. So it's not difficult. It's just one or a few lines. So let's create our file first. So 994 is pdf2docx.py. So it's already okay. So from pdf2docx import, this name is converter. So let's save and run to check is your installation is okay or not. Perfect is okay. And I will use our Tesla's this file. So you remember that this multiple page originally looks like our Excel, PowerPoint. So convert is the converter. Is the original is one is the TLA Q3 2023 update 3.pdf. So that is naming to this one. Then converter.convert. Use this method is the let's do this as the Tesla.docx and the converter .close. So we just need to use that and close that. Let's see. Converter.convert. So I insert N. So I think it's, that is very direct. So open, ignore line. So there's a quite complex these documents. So it's need to ignore something. But finally, you can see it's converting. So converting page, and here is the parsing page. So read those contents and then do the converting. So it's 26 page, not our small file. It's more than 3 meg file. And this one is just our the password encrypt. So we will do this in the second one. So now it's 18. So while this working, so I think it's which one is password? So this one. 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we can use this one. Cancel. And I put that here. Cancel. So it's terminate in this one. Let's open. Come to our file. Which one is a 9.9? The Word document. Tesla. So here. Oh, 25. So you can see here. It looks quite nice, and it's also correctly convert to a table. I think now is I can directly copy those to Excel, I believe. So that will be recognized as the table. So let's see. So if I put that in the Excel. but when I try to paste, it's not. Oh, that's perfect. I didn't paste correctly, I think. So now if I put the line 1 here and make them here and also make. Oh, so you can see the format is quite nice. So this convert, I think, is very powerful. But I will not save this in the folder because that will make our repository is too big. So this one, when you do the convert, you actually got those documents back to the Word. So that is interesting. So let's do the second one. So with the password. So with password. So well, if I load this, now I load this 981 second. So if I want to do this one, so it's 994 with password. If I don't treat anything, I think is I got this here, the warning. So you require, it's require you to input the password. But how we can do that? We know the password is 126. So then is when we do this convert loading, we transfer the second argument is password equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So and then convert. Using this, we convert to this and start 0 and 2. So I think this one is doesn't required. So I convert because if you set this start and end, you just convert partial. So but when I do this without anything, is well. You can see the first step. First is open. So during this open, you must fill in the password, analyze, and the parsing. Next is the converting. So when we have that converted, now I have our document like this. And I did decryption, and also I put this password here. So 5 page. So that I think is this converting. So I hope it's the next the chapter we will move to the part 3. So let's back to our mind map. First of all, is please congratulations to yourself. I think if you follow all my past more than 80 videos, I hope is you have a good understanding about the Python basic. So we have these 5 chapters and also the 4 parts for this using Python in Office. I think this will be our primary content. You already grasp the tactic for handle the Office with Python. So for myself, it's also a great learning journey, and I hope it's to hear from you about your comments and suggestions, or even is some discussion is about any errors in my video, in my demo. I may pause a little bit this before go to this chapter 10, because to me, these sub parts in the advanced is not limited for or strictly binding to the Microsoft Office. It's more looks like some the generic tactic for using Python. So I think I will leave that for now, and I have some backlog in my on my hand to take some other video series to capture, like is the using Sparkle or some the Lua, the Roblox programming, and also the also the Fortran and Java. So I have some other the topic I would like to share through my YouTube channel to you. If later on is I got chance is I may keep adding those videos on this. So after all, I hope we can conclude in the middle with these books learning. So I also hope there will be or have been your great learning journey. So once again, as I mentioned in my YouTube channel's introduction, I want you also agree is learning through practicing. Not by reading, not by just listening. You need to use your hands to type in code actually. And through that, you can find the issue. One typical sample is in the recent video. Unless we type together, we cannot find this. There's some method is already depreciated in the new version. And then we should refresh our knowledge. Otherwise, if you just read the book, you still remember some old or already some method not available anymore. So that is the one important thing. So if you feel more comfortable, I also encourage you do the knowledge sharing back to the community. And then this way together can make those knowledge to share with more peoples. Again, thank you for your following with me together on this book learning. May you have a good luck to this, and I'm looking forward to hear from you on any comments, suggestions, and also if you have any interested topic elsewhere that you are willing to hear or learn, you can let me know. Or possible is I will arrange my time to get some the practice on those topics and share with you back. Oh, okay. Have a nice day. Thank you very much. Bye.